Hi, this is Kurt at Traverse Tool Company. You ever wonder if there was an easier way to get your vise open and closed? These machine vices do an amazing job, but the handle they come with, although it's really well constructed and it's a tough handle, thing's never going to break, but it's kind of clunky. So when you take a small piece of material out and you want to put something bigger in there, you got a long way to go to get it up to the size you need. So what I did is I got a speed handle, and now I can get it out there a lot faster. And it works a lot better. But then Edge Technologies came out with their version of the speed handle. Has the end on one side, so you can tighten it down and get a lot of torque on it. And then it has the center part if you want to go high speed. It has this little handle so you can tighten it so it doesn't come off. But if you have a long way to go and a short time to get there, that handle really does the job nicely. And so, is it in your way? No problem. Has a magnet on it. Thanks for watching. Tune in again next week for the next episode of Tips, Tricks, and Hacks.